we're here in Riverside again, just to show you the Ambassador's Place Grocer, guys. Yan. Kasi nung pumunta kami dun sa Riverside nun, guys, medyo malayo, kaya gusto ko makita nyo ng medyo malapit-lapit, guys. Yan, so mag-park tayo. So guys, bago tayo pumunta dun, guys, make sure muna natin nakakapag-bayad tayo ng parking. Kasi importante ito para hindi tayo siyempre magbayad ng penalties, guys. So ganito lang mabayad dito, guys. Ito ihulog mo lang ito. Guys, we're just come back here again in Riverside just to see the Braids Closer, guys. Kasi nung pumunta kami, nung nag-vlogs ako noon doon, medyo may kalayuan yung braids, kaya pumunta kami dito para makita nyo yung malapitan, guys. Pagka pumunta kami ng US, doon kami dumadaan. Hindi nga lang daming truck. Unlike sa tunnel, dire-diretso lang. At the end of the braids, there's an immigration there, guys. They can ask some few questions, some travel documents. Ayan, so i-prepare nyo yun, guys, bago kayo mag-look for those who planning to cross the border. Once the pandemic is, once the COVID-19 is gone, and then, yeah. Ayan, guys, so we're here in Ambassador's Braids with my wife. Yan, kita nyo yung asawa ko dyan. So, pagka dito lang kami namamasyal, dito lang kami nagdi-date. Ikot tayo, guys, para makita nila yung Ambassador's Braids. Yan. Ayan. Yan. Say hello to your kababayan in the Kirapawan. Yan. Yan. Ayan, guys. Sana nag-i-enjoy kayo sa mga vlogs, guys. Sana marami kayo natutunan. Pakita mo yung Ambassador's Braids. Guys, dito yung flag ng Canada, guys. So, lalapit tayo dito sa flag ng Canada. Kasi mas medyo malapit. Kasama ko naman ang aking wifey. Yan. Ayan. So, lalakad kayo pumunta doon sa Braids sa may poste. Ayan, guys. Ayan. Say hi to your kababayan in the Philippines. Ayan. So, guys, makikita nyo, guys, malapit na tayo dito sa silong ng Ambassador's Braids, guys. Ayan. Ito, guys, ito yung poste. Kasama ko naman yung asawa ko, guys. Yan, kasama ko yung my very supportive wife. Yan, love you. Mwah! Yan. So guys, I hope sana nag-i-enjoy kayo sa mga vlogs, guys. Merry Christmas and stay safe, everyone. God bless us all. Mwah! Yan. See you on my next vlog, guys.